Jane gets up at 6:30 every day. My father goes to work at 7:30. I play tennis. Man is mortal. She works in a bank. Jim watches television at 3 o'clock. Pat goes to school by bus. He studies in a private school. Brian plays in France. She likes milk for breakfast. They arrive on Saturday. You go to school by bus. I study English because it's good. We need the passport.
Does she work in a bank? Does Jim watch television at 3 o'clock? Does Pat go to school by bus? Does he study in a private school?
Does Brian play in France? Does she like milk for breakfast?
Do they arrive on Saturday? Do you go to school by bus?
Do I study English because it is good? Do we need the passport? Do you like football?
Yes, I do.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Does Brian drink beer?
No, he doesn't.
Does your mother dance kazamba?
Yes, she does.
Does Anna live in Paris?
No, she doesn't.
Do they know Angola?
Yes, they do. Do they work?
No, they don't.
Does Brian work on Saturday?
Yes, he does.
Where does she work? What time does Jim watch television?
How does Pat go to school? Where does he study?
Where does Brian play?
What does she like for breakfast? When do they arrive?
How do I go to school? Why do you study English?
What do you need? She doesn't work in a bank. Jim doesn't watch television at 3 o'clock. Pat doesn't go to school by bus. He doesn't study in a private school. Brian doesn't play in France.
She doesn't like milk for breakfast. They don't arrive on Saturday. You don't go to school by bus. I don't study English because it's not good.
We don't need the passport. She is a doctor. They are from Brazil. I am a teacher.
Is she a doctor? Are they from Brazil? Am I a teacher?
She is not a doctor. They are not from Brazil. I am not a teacher.
He can dance very well.
Can he dance very well?
He can't dance very well.
Where can I buy a dictionary?
Goodbye.